Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to disable the automatic appearance updates on LinkedIn using your PC. With the recent changes, it's essential to know how to manage your profile visibility effectively. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, log in with your credentials if you haven't already done so. Next, look for the Me icon located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This is where you can access various settings related to your profile. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your account preferences and privacy settings. Now focus on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see several options listed there. Click on Account Preferences. This section contains various settings that control how your LinkedIn experience works. Under the Account Preferences section, locate Display. Here, you will find options related to how your profile appears to others. Click on Dark Mode to adjust your display preferences. You will now see options for Always On, Off, or Use device settings. Choose either Always On or Off, depending on whether you want Dark Mode enabled or disabled. This setting not only affects your viewing experience, but also how updates are displayed to others. Once you've made your selection, LinkedIn automatically saves your preferences, so there's no need for additional confirmations. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled automatic updates regarding your appearance on LinkedIn. This way, you can manage how often your connections see changes without unnecessary notifications cluttering their feeds. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check back for more tips on optimizing your LinkedIn experience. Happy networking!